Hi, my name is Nitin, and I've been a Wakefit user. It's going to be more than 3 months now, and I live here in Bangalore, and I've been working in the business development domain. Now, that's pretty much about me, and the very reason why I wanted to go ahead and take up, probably the entire decision of changing my mattress was mostly because of the kind of routine which I have. Now, my jobs involves a lot of traveling, so probably you could say is that in a month I am staying at a lot of places, and at the end of the entire work, and at the end of the day, I go back. Either I'm staying at a particular, maybe a particular hotel, or maybe at someone's place and everything. That is where I figured out that probably I think I require uh, some kind of comfortability at the end of the day, and unfortunately I don't have a lot of choice when I go outside, and so that's why whenever I'm at home I should be in a very in a very comfortable position. I should have a sound sleep, because that's very important for a healthy living, and especially being in a traveling job, it was very difficult for me also to figure out when to sleep and not to sleep. There's an early morning flight to catch, or there's a late night bus. That definitely created a lot of disturbance in the sleep cycle, and that is where, and being a typical bachelor's life, I always thought that, okay, you know what, who cares about a mattress? But as the time went on, I thought that I think getting a comfortable mattress is the need of the hour, and without any doubt I just looked up for one of the best companies which are out there on the net right now, and found Wakefit to be the number one choice there. And that's when I went ahead and I took this decision of buying the hard and the soft mattress that is there. I really like the idea that probably I could juggle between the softness cushion that is there, as to when I want a proper hard one, or probably I want a very cozy calm the soft one as well. Now, talking about how was the research process, what did I look into the product is, I went online. One of the good thing which I did was is that before this lockdown thing happened, I just bought up a particular mattress just before the lockdown happened. I mean, it was as less as 1 week ago, and I was very skeptical as to whether the people would be able to deliver or not, because the lockdown was being enforced at a lot of places. And that is something that really helped me understand is that I took up a good decision of joining Wakefit, because I had a couple of other people also who had used Wakefit, and they had all the good feedback about Wakefit. And that is when I actually went ahead and I, without having any second doubt, to be very honest, I actually compared some other competitors of Wakefit as well, and figured out that yes, Wakefit happens to be a better choice, not in just term of the features which I'm getting in the product, but also in terms of the pricing. I also went across to take the pillow covers and the pillow covers as well, which was a very interesting deal which came across. So I bought the entire thing possible that was, and I was very excited. And within just getting the entire particular just starting off with the entire particular process, I placed the order. Within just 2 to 3 days, I got a confirmation call, and the next day the entire particular product was at my place. So very smooth experience, I would say, right from placing the order to going ahead and buying stuff, making the payment, and then also the follow up for the logistics. In fact, the team was very kind enough when I told him is that I'm out somewhere, can you make the delivery at a suitable time and a date? And they actually went ahead to accept my request, and it was very great. Post that, I went across and I started using it. It was definitely a a shift of changes from going at the regular mattress versus this mattress now. But ever since day one, I was like, okay, you know what, I was really happy, because I thought that I made the right choice in terms of picking this up, and it was very comfortable, very cozy. In fact, in the last 3 months, I have used both the hard as well as the soft size which was there, and that was very good. In fact, I got a call also from the team, which really helped me facilitate the entire process of setting up the mattress, and how to use, how not to use, what are the particular do's and don'ts I should keep in mind. So the team was very helpful. Even post I got the entire particular thing, and they called me for a feedback and stuff. So really thankful to the Wakefit team. And as I can say is that right now, when I'm in this lockdown time, I am at home. We are all at home. We should stay at home, and I'm spending the entire day at my bed, keeping my small study table and everything and doing my work. And I somewhat secretly thank my that decision, or and I thank the Wakefit team that I took the right decision of taking this up and placing the order. And that is something that is really helping me today at a time when I have to spend almost close to 24 hours on the bed. So really thankful to the Wakefit team. Keep up the good work, and I would definitely suggest is that the entire range of products at Wakefit have been very, very useful, not just to me but also to other people whom I know, and everyone who's listening to me right now should definitely give it a try. Thank you.